Lord have mercy, it's hot, hot, hot out there. Over 90-something degrees. The humidity's through the roof. Cooking some spaghetti. Editing some video. A while back, my brother came out, Chuck, he came out to help me work on my little tiny house. It's already done now, but I haven't put this video out. So if you're interested in how we put together a tiny house little shower thing, we built the walls, cut the hole in for the drain, put the shower pan liner in, poured the shower pan, put up metal on the walls, put stone pebbles in for the shower floor instead of tile. In this video, I'm going to show you how we did that. If you're interested in how to build a tiny house shower or something like that, this video should help you. Another video coming out soon, the tiny crooked house build that I'm doing. Enjoy this video. Halfway into it, we had to twist some boards. They're going in there? Well, this has got to be good enough. Get that beer out of there. G-rated. G-rated? Yeah. That's funny. I think we're on the right track though. Me and my brother Chucky Fresh knocked this one out. Yeah. Got all the Dura Rock in. Still got to clean up a little bit, but yeah. Get that shower pan in. Yes, sir. I'm not even gonna put tile in there. No? No, I'm gonna put metal.
No, we'll use this one for that.
So you can.
Right here to my right.
Yep. There you go.
So if you don't live in California, it won't cause you no cancer.
That's right.
Yeah, this stuff is.
Forgot to turn the camera on. Didn't have the camera turned on again. It's almost like I didn't do it.
It's gonna look good though. Yeah.
Meanwhile, my helper's over here.
What are you doing? Is you sleepy? Oh goodness.
Okay, don't work too hard, okay? Oh, dang it, broke the dang bit. Damn it.